Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. My name's Tommy Ray. Today, we're going to go ahead and make homemade whipped cream. Homemade whipped cream is great with desserts, so let's go ahead and make it. It's very simple. We're going to use just 3 simple ingredients today. We'll use a pint of whipping cream or heavy cream. We'll use a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and we'll use a teaspoon of vanilla, and that's it. All right, let's go ahead and make it. First, I went ahead and I chilled my mixing bowl in the freezer for about 15 minutes here. The chilled mixing bowl really helps with the whipped cream. Okay, there we have our chilled mixing bowl. We're gonna go ahead and add our pint of whipping cream. I just use regular whipping cream. Add a 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like to use my own homemade vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and add my splash lid here so that we don't get too much of the whipping cream splashing up on us. And then we'll go ahead and start that on low. And in a minute here, I'll go ahead and change that to a medium to medium high. We just change it gradually so it doesn't splash so much. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and check our whipped cream here. Oh, that looks delicious. And so we want the whipped cream to be able to have these big peaks here like this. And this one is almost done. I'm gonna whip it just for a couple more seconds here, just so that it gets a little stiffer. But you wanna make sure that you check it because you don't wanna over whip. Okay, let's take another look at that. There we go. We have much stiffer peaks now, which is great how we want the whipped cream to be, nice and thick. Yes. So, perfect. We'll stop whipping it there because if we keep going, we don't want it to become butter. So let's go ahead and finish right there. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made homemade whipped cream. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.